Okay, lighting in here is not great, but we're gonna work with it because actually it's not even about me, it's about these guys. We're talking backpacks, but not just backpacks. We are talking travel backpacks for women. Kia ora. Hello, I'm Eleanor. This looks like a set, I'm aware. It is not. It is just kind of what my life looks like in boxes. I find myself traveling a lot, moving a lot for work and play. So I've been lucky enough to test out a bunch of travel packs, see how I vibe with them, and I just wanted to go over the best ones for women. Okay, first pack, Peak Design 45 litre travel pack. I would say this one is for the camera focused individual, and it is a thing of glory. One thing I noticed about this pack is that it has pockets everywhere. Hidden pockets on the side, pockets for your bottles, a pocket at the top for your sunglasses. As for the front, there are all these additional straps where you can kind of attach extra items if you want to attach your tripod or anything of the like. The cool thing is there's also a handle here. It opens right up, like so. Place to put your laptop in this pouch. Yeah, place for all your accessories. Definitely a pack. Once you put in some packing cubes or your camera equipment cubes, just makes everything so much easier to use because it is just one main compartment. But yeah, having side access is also super useful when you're reaching in and trying to grab things. Like so. It's also got this super handy kind of strap here to, you know, put on your suitcase when you're moving around. I think being a Peak Design clip user, it's also just really nice when backpacks are designed, well, the straps are designed to feature the little guys you can just attach your camera and away you go. The thing I love about this pack is that it is designed for camera users. So if you find yourself traveling as well as needing your camera gear, you kind of have room for both, just kind of multi-purpose in that way. Oh yeah, it does also expand to be even larger. There's some really nice waist belt straps, really nice little zips, and they also can be stowed away. This pack is just like robot transformer pack. Super nice pack, and I'm gonna look forward to continuing to use this guy. All right, next up we have got the Matador Globe Rider. This is also 45 liters, but somehow looks much bigger than the Peak Design one. I would say this one is kind of more for the maximalist all-round traveler. It is quite pretty, but it's very square. If you want room for more things, this is your guy. So let's take a look inside. Now the top is pretty cool. It's just kind of an accessories department. So put all your little items. Not quite room for the laptop there, but room for snacks. Now this top zip is where you are going to be storing your laptop. Nice, easy access, super easy when you're going through security in the airport. We all know it's that low-key competition to be the fastest. I always think I am, but I am never the fastest. The thing I love about these packs is just all the little pockets. We've got another additional pocket here, just a little guy. Obviously the front pocket, lots of handles. But as for the main compartment, this guy is gonna let you pack a lot. Again, travel cubes, super helpful. But if you don't have them, got this bungee cord, another accessory pouch in there, and an additional pocket here. I think this is the perfect pack for the kind of all-rounder traveler with a bit more to carry. It's got really nice padding, really nice waist belt straps. That's always a good play, and super, super comfy. All right, next up we have got the Bellroy Transit. This is a 38 litre pack, and I would call this the city sleek. It is very sleek, very stunning. There is just something really nice about the Bellroy zips. Just listen. Let's get into these pockets. We've got a nice sunglasses pocket at the top. Really nice soft material. God, the material is so nice. Now in this back pocket is where you store your laptop, and there's an additional pouch in here to store kind of, I guess, other accessories, pens, little items, the little trinkets, little sweet treats. Back padding is super nice. Honestly, this guy's just so sleek. Is this just like a new phenomenon? All these bags have these really cool secret side pockets to store, I don't know, I guess just really important things. Maybe your passport you could put in here, in the side zipped up pocket. Super nice main compartment, pockets for all the accessories, and yeah, additional side pocket. So yeah, Bellroy Transit, big fan. Cotopaxi Allpa, 35 litre. Firstly, okay, color sets it apart immediately. I love it. Good energy, all the things. Okay, so I would say this pack is more for the kind of adventure focused traveler. The cool thing is, even though this is definitely focused for the, you know, adventure traveler, there is still, of course, a laptop sleeve. So the side zip here is going to give you access to the laptop and extra things you may need, little notepads. There's another little side pocket in here. You might be able to tell that this is one of my favorites. I'll tell the others. It also converts, so this is another one of those cool packs where you can hide the waist belts. You can tuck them in and carry the pack more like a duffel. Padding is super nice. And also it's got this really nice weather resistant material here. The first zip gets you into the kind of accessory pouch. It's actually super roomy, super handy. A little additional zip mesh pocket with the smaller items. I mean, storing passport or just things that you really need, super accessible. This would be the perfect compartment for that. Then we get into the main pocket. Ooh, it's also great because it's already giving you packing cubes within. So one bigger mesh pocket here, two smaller ones. There's a rain cover that comes with it, very lovely, as well as a larger compartment. And then, you know, using additional packing cubes, always handy. I think this one is super versatile. If you're carrying camera equipment, have a little pocket, an additional packing cube for that, as well as clothes and, you know, toiletries, all that kind of stuff, as well as your laptop and tech gear. I mean, I'm a huge fan of this one, if you can't tell. And I would definitely be keeping this one in my main rotation. A brand we all know and love, Patagonia, Patagucci. This is the Black Hole 40 litre. I would say this is more so for the kind of gear venturer. I don't know if that's been said before, that's a term, but a gear focused traveler who is also potentially going on some nice ventures. It is a duffel bag, plain and simple. It's not a backpack. It can be converted to a backpack, which is super handy. I've already attached the additional straps, so you can wear it as a backpack. You can also take them off and just carry it purely as a duffel. Or if you're like me, you just leave it all on and leave them dangling. I am not a super fussy traveler. Or I'm not super fussy when it comes to it looking all tidy, you know? If it works, it works. In terms of its functionality, yeah, definitely for the gear-focused traveler, there's definitely a time and place for this bag, and I've really been enjoying it on kind of maybe more weekend trips where I need to just pack a bunch of clothes in. The great thing is though, again, add your packing cubes, camera cubes, if you're taking that kind of gear and want to keep it all in one place. Super versatile. And also I found packs down really well. So if you just want to have an additional bag with your other stuff, ideal. I haven't packed it down very well, but you know what I mean. Compared to the other backpacks, this one packs down the best. It's a real nice front zip, little bits and bobs. Main compartment, just a big old duffel, you know, big old compartment. Then we've got our mesh zip pouch. I'm trying to come up with these technical terms, and I'm sure there are very technical terms, but as just a person who likes bags and travels and will use travel bags, these are my terms. Mesh pouch, accessory, zip. Another good thing about this bag, well, more so specifically the color, you are not going to misplace it. All right, next up we've got the Osprey 40 litre Fairview pack. Now this is actually the only pack in the lineup that is specific to women. Obviously we have a different body type, body structure than men. The main difference with that is in the placement of shoulder straps. The good thing about the other travel packs is that they all do have really good waist belts. I feel like that can be something that's underlooked. So I mean, I guess the main difference is just honestly placement of where the straps go. This has got that designed for women. Amazing. Great padding, as Ospreys normally do. This one is just a super comfortable pack. I'm gonna say this pack is for the kind of all-round adventurer. You're kind of going on some adventures, but you're also carrying a couple extras. You might have some camera equipment. It's super versatile. And I think you could really be traveling quite minimally with just this as your main bag with everything. That'd be great because this guy, I think, really has the emphasis on comfort for carry on your shoulders. So yeah, Osprey always great with the ventilation. The great thing about this pack as well is you can convert it between being a duffel and a backpack. So you just shove those bad boys in there, unfurl this bottom part, zip it up, zip it over, tuck that in, and then you've just got a duffel. In the side zip, laptop access, great. Handy for when you make it a duffel, amazing. The top bit is, again, like most of these bags, accessories, fun things, snacks, you know, peanut butter pretzels. That would be a good spot for that. The kind of weird thing, but maybe I guess it makes sense, is to access the main bag, you've got to unclip these guys. These are always great if you need extra things, like a sleeping mat, sleeping bag, stuff you can just add on the back with these straps. Now you've got to unclip those to be able to access the main compartment. Main compartment, got some nice straps here, clip things down, mesh pouch compartment. I think you can get away with loading this one up, you know, carrying a heavier weight and it still being comfortable, because that's kind of just where Osprey really shine. I personally find the other packs fine, not being designed specifically for women, but I think you definitely notice it more so when you're loading your pack a little heavier. And that's why I say I guess this is kind of great for the all-round adventure travel with maybe a bit of a heavier load. Tortuga Travel Backpack Pro, 30 litre, that's pretty stunning. I'm gonna say this one is kind of for the sleek all-round adventurer. As you can see, it is very sleek. The material is weather resistant, a lot of padding, which makes it, again, super comfy. This is lush. First up, we've got the front pocket, which is kind of like the tech accessories pocket. It is massive and goes all the way down, and it has many compartments. Zip here, little pouch here, all these little pouches here. You can store your laptop in here too. Okay, at the top, we've got a nice little easy access pouch here. I guess you could put your passport or just like materials, or just materials that you want super accessible. Oh, here it is. I found the secret pouch, secret pocket. Took me a while, but here it is, right at the front. It's quite large. Again, maybe this is where you could store your passport and other materials like that, but secret. Maybe not so secret now, but secret. Now to open up the main compartment, got a nice little mesh compartment, and yeah, big old body there. Always perfect. Packing cubes, game changing. Two really big side pockets for your drink bottle, tripod, and lastly, I am a huge fan of the waist belt here. Look at these pockets. These are like, it's like two bum bags on two different sides of your hips. Snacks, headphones, things you want instantly. All right, Peak Design Ultimate Camera Travel Pack. I would say the Bellroy is like super city sleek traveler. Cotopaxi is for the ultimate tech venturer. Patagonia for the gear venturer. I'm gonna say Osprey, this guy's for the all-round adventurer. The Tortuga is for the sleek traveler. And this big boy, which is supposedly the same size as the Peak Design, I'm gonna say for the maxi all-round traveler. There's just so much room, so much room. So much room for activities. There are so many backpacks in as well, but those are 7 of the best travel backpacks for women.
Carryology is proudly backed by our friends at Bellroy. To learn more, visit our About Us page, link in the description.